Hello students, let's continue with our model number 1, that is Introduction to Customer Relationship Management. So let's start with our further topic, Barriers to Customer Relationship Management. When we talk about barriers are something such as obstacles, okay, which will come into the path of your objectives, okay, in your university exam, okay. Now here we call it barriers to customer relationship management, okay. They might even ask you as limitations to customer relationship management. मतलब दो क्वेश्चन एक आंसर. Okay, so always remember barriers and limitations are one and the same. Okay, so डर मत जाना, अरे मैंने तो barriers पढ़े थे, limitations कहाँ से आए? Okay, so always remember barriers and limitations are same. Let's start with our barriers. Let's see which are the barriers to customer relationship management. First, improper implementation. When we talk about improper implementation, okay, usually companies to maintain good relations with their customers, they have customer relationship management softwares. Okay, softwares are those wherein you feed the data, it will store the data and it will give you the data back whenever required. So many times it happens that there is some lag in the system. Okay, for example, in my previous video, I have given you an example of whenever my birthday is approaching, Big Bazaar or Soho Center will send me a message stating that, hello ma'am, it's your birthday, so please come and shop with us with good discounts. Okay, so here what are they doing? They are notifying the customers who have birthdays of the same day. Now Big Bazaar has stores all over India. Okay, so many people might be sharing same birthday as mine. Okay, so do you think they might be sending messages to individual customers? No. पूरा सिस्टम है, सिस्टम में डाल दो जिसका भी आज बर्थडे है, गिव वन फॉर्मूला एंड द सिस्टम डज योर जॉब ऑफ सेंडिंग मैसेजेस. Okay, now many times it happens that there is some issues with implementation. Maybe my birthday is there but I feel अरे last year तो birthday में message आया था, ये सर आया नहीं message, means something there is some problem with the implementation. Okay, next is lack of commitment. Commitment किससे होगा? From the employees. Employees मतलब people. We have studied components of customer relationship management. People. So commitment will be from the employees. Not always the employees coordinate. Okay, they will say, अरे किसे पता चलेगा कि सबको गया कि नहीं message. So they might even ignore. Okay. Then next we have issues of quality of data. Suppose I walk in a Big Bazaar store. Okay, and I ask, ma'am, when is your birthday? Okay, what I do, I'm very smart. I say my birthday is Diwali के आसपास का time. I will say दिवाली में मेरे को अच्छा discount मिलेगा. Okay, but do you think am I maintaining the quality of data that Big Bazaar is trusting me? But am I a loyal customer? No. Okay, then we have resistance to change. Resistance to change again comes from the employees. Okay, employees को बोला अरे next time when you talk with the customer, don't talk in this tone, you do it like this. Employees say अरे मैं तो habitual हूँ, I won't change. Okay, then we have unclear objectives. When we talk about objectives, we discuss objectives मतलब goals. What you want to achieve. Objective क्या है? To implement this customer relationship management software. Okay, do you want to gain quality of data? Do you want to gain good customers? करंट कस्टमर्स को रिटेन करना है कि पोटेंशियल कस्टमर्स को अट्रैक्ट करना है. Always set good objectives so that it does not act as a barrier to customer relationship management. Then we have सबसे main work stress. Okay, work stress. For example, you go to a Vodafone gallery. Okay, currently बहुत issues चल रहे हैं with the network. Okay, you go to Vodafone or Idea after the merger, there are a lot of issues. Okay. So you just go to the gallery and you see at least one customer must be shouting in the gallery. Okay, when we talk about this, अपने को मजा आती है ये customer झगड़ा कर रहा है. But just imagine the level of stress that employee is going. एक तो employee का गलती नहीं है. Employee has nothing to do with the range tower. Okay, it is the technical team who takes care of it. But the customer is shouting at the employee. the employee has to maintain his or her patience. Okay, he has to please the customer as well as have good rapport with the organization. Yes, I have dealt with the customer with a lot of patience. So this creates work stress, and stress may you never know what mistakes the employees can do. Okay, then we have lack of response from customers. Okay, for example, Big Bazaar sends weekly Wednesday offers, this offer, that offer. They are trying to build loyal customers. But I say, nahi jana hai mujhe. I don't want to go. I don't want to buy from Big Bazaar. So what is happening? The response from my end is very less. Okay, and then inability of the employees. Okay, ये usually na consultancies में you will see. Okay, when we talk about consultancies, they usually work for third party. For example, I used to work for a consultancy who used to recruit employees for various pharma companies. Okay, now in this what happens? We work on multiple clients. Okay, I used to work on 3 clients at a time. Okay, at that time what happens? Usually all the clients will have different requirements, and meeting all 3 requirements at the same time is a huge challenge. So usually there is inability from the employee side, and then it acts as a barrier to customer relationship management. If quality is not provided, definitely the client will not be happy. Okay, so let's move on to our next topic. That is, and this is our last topic for model number 1. That is relationship marketing and customer relationship management. अभी ना whenever we talk about relationship marketing, सब बोलते हैं अरे भाई same है. No, relationship marketing is different and customer relationship management is different. Relationship marketing says that we do not want to focus on increasing sales. We do not want to focus on attracting new customers, but we want to focus on developing loyalty among the customers. And they think कि loyalty के साथ comes long-term customer engagement. Okay, so they want to develop 2 things. They want to focus on 2 things. That is customer loyalty and long-term customer engagement. Okay, so relationship marketing, it is a part of customer relationship management which focuses on building customer loyalty and long-term customer engagement. Okay, so always remember, customer relationship management will include everything. Okay, it will include loyalty, it will include long-term customer engagement, it will include increasing sales, attracting potential customers. But relationship marketing में 2 things are the highest priority. That is customer loyalty and long-term customer engagement. Okay, so let's move ahead. How to develop customer relationship, or how to do, what are the strategies of relationship marketing, how to develop that relationship. तो कौन सी strategies apply करनी चाहिए? So first strategy is you have to implement organizational pervasive approach. Okay, pervasive मतलब overall organization में वो apply होना चाहिए. Okay, pervasive मतलब सब पे apply होना चाहिए. Okay, so when you talk about organizational pervasive approach as relationship marketing, मतलब very first thing, train your employees. Employees को train किया. Second thing, decide which customer relationship management software you will install or you will implement. And अगर एक बार implement किया, then keep on updating that software ताकि वो outdated ना हो. Okay. Then we have managing customer emotions. Okay, I'll give one small example. You go to Vijay Sales and you go to Juhu Chowpatty. इतना different experience है, and just see your emotions. Suppose you go walk into Vijay Sales. Okay, the moment you walk in, the very first counter they have is of laptops. Okay, so the salesperson there will not say, "Ma'am, come laptop ले लो." No, they will ask, "Ma'am, what do you want to buy?" You say, "I want to buy a television." So that person will guide you. Ma'am, that person can guide you to buy a good television. Okay, but you go to Juhu Chowpatty. If you go to Juhu Chowpatty, you will say people are actually dragging you. Ma'am, you come and eat at our stall. So what is happening here? Your customer is getting frustrated. Whereas at Vijay Sales, your customer is having a very pleasing experience. Okay, so this is how you manage the customer emotions. Understand what they want and do not force them to buy. Okay. Then next comes is brand building through relationship marketing. When we talk about brand building, सबसे पहले create brand awareness, marketing करो, and once the brand awareness is built, brand loyalty तो already एक focus point है और relationship marketing. Okay. Then we have service level agreements. Okay. When we talk about service level agreements, suppose I buy an AC. Okay, I buy an AC from Vijay Sales. So service level agreements में क्या क्या आता है? Home delivery, okay, free installation, provided that there is no extra working needed, okay, and free 2 years का servicing, okay. So this is the agreement which they give, and they will also give you the warranty and guarantee period. वो आता है service level agreements, okay. And then we have, you have to build up strategies to tackle the relationship challenges. When you talk about strategies to tackle relationship challenges, means first of all, see to it that you are providing your customers with the products for which they have a perceived quality. Okay, when we talk about perceived quality, I'll give you one example to explain perceived quality. Suppose you go to Bandra Linking Road, okay, and Linking Road पे you see a very good black T-shirt and you like it a lot. अभी खरीदना ही है. And you ask the price, the shopkeeper says, this is of 1,000 rupees. They say, what? This person is mad or what? I am not buying it at 1,000 rupees. You start walking. That shopkeeper is, अरे sir, wait, अरे madam, wait. What is your expectation? You say, 200 में I will take. उससे ज़्यादा I won't give. And after a lot of argument, he finally gives you at 200. Means what your customer thinks should be the price of your product is nothing but the perceived quality. So in relationship management, start working on the perceived quality. Okay. So that's all for our model number 1.